like, what's her name? Hey, what's her name?
Whoa, Mama, wait.
I don't know. What's her name?
I don't know.
Ta-da! New pajamas. I got Mama. With new earrings.
David's daughter. David's daughter.
Oh, Emily.
She looks like Emily.
Yeah, I'll be like Emily.
Okay, come on then.
Go ahead.
You said.
No farting on Christmas.
Oh, I stepped on a frog now.
Yeah, right. Poor thing was suffocating. Oh, yeah, right.
How could we
I did
not?
hear it.
There was a frog in the kitchen.
A frog in the kitchen.
Okay, two things.
Don't do it again, Mama.
Got a Hummer.
What?
Machine.